what has been happening in Ather, and a lot of interest is also seen since the stock is rallying like anything. So let me break it down for you of what exactly is happening in Ather. So the Ather's board had approved 2,500 crore rupees of fundraising. So what is the breakdown for this? For 2,500 crore rupees, 1,300 crore rupees QIP is announced at a floor price of 1169. 1,200 crore rupees will be raised from the original promoters, of which 960 crore rupees will be raised from Hero MotoCorp via warrants at price of 1260, and 40 crore rupees will be put in by the original promoters of 20 crore each by Mr. Tarun Mehta and Swapnil Jain. The government of India is also participating in this fundraise via the India-Japan Fund as they invest 200 crore rupees at 1230 per share, and this will be done via equity shares. So Hero MotoCorp is being issued warrants along with the original promoters, while the India-Japan Fund is being equity shares and 1,200 crore rupees of QIP. So that is the breakdown for the entire 2,500 crore rupees of fundraise, which is 1,300 crore QIP, 960 crore rupees from Hero, 40 crore rupees from promoters, and 200 crore rupees from India Fund. What is the shareholding impact of this? That is, the Indian-Japan Fund will increase its holding from 5.75 to 6.02. Hero MotoCorp will increase its shareholding from 29.48 to 30.68, and the promoters will slightly dilute their stake from 4.93% to 4.85% for both the promoters, Tarun Mehta and Swapnil Jain. So what is the object of this issue, which is the 1,300 crore QIP? What exactly it is being used for? So debt repayment of 125 crore rupees, R&D of 750 crore rupees, marketing expense of 100 crore rupees, and general corporate purpose, which will be capped at 25% of the issue proceeds, which will the amount for which will be decided on the final fundraising, on the final QIP details. So what is the borrowing that the company has as of the end of June 2026? That is around 890 crore rupees. And what is the cash availability or liquidity that the company has as of end of FY26? So it has a cash balance of 100 crore rupees, bank balance of 700 crore rupees, current investments of around 550 crore rupees, and other financial investments of around 1,300 crore rupees, which gives it a liquidity overall of around 2,600 crore rupees. So why does a company with 2,600 crore rupees of liquidity raise another 2,500 crore rupee? That I will explain in a bit. But what happened to the IPO proceeds that it raised in May 2025? So out of the 2,600 crore rupees raised, it has only utilized around 1,000 crores of it, and 1,600 crore rupees still remains unutilized. So what is the reason of raising another 2,500 crore rupees when it already has a liquidity of 2,600 crore rupees? The real reason is capacity expansion and the factory 3.0 that it is setting up at Shambhaji Nagar, that for the object for which is the fundraising is being taken. So the current Hosur factory has a capacity of 4.2 lakh two-wheeler EV at present, and the capacity utilization has been steadily increasing from 29% in FY24 to 38% in FY25 and to a mega 63% in FY26, which has been rising steadily over the years, and that is what is bringing in the action to increase the capacity further to meet the rising demand for e-two-wheelers. So in the phase 1, they will be adding 500,000 units per year, which will start by Q3 FY27 and will be completed by March 27. Phase 2 will add another 500,000 units, and which will take the total combined capacity to 1.42 million units per year when the total proceeds of the fundraise is done. So that is the reason it is raising these funds.
Thanks, Avi.